Good morning, children. Today we discuss about fourth lesson part B, Penamakuru village. Penamakuru village, which type of soil? Which type of soil? In Penamakuru, the soil are mostly fertile, alluvial, black soil. Alluvial and black soil. Okay, alluvial and black soil. The soil deposited by the river are called alluvial soils or Ondru Bhumi. Alluvial soil are called Ondru Bhumi. Ondru Bhumi. Alluvial soil are called Ondru Bhumi. The soils deposited by the river are called alluvial soils or Ondru Bhumi. We can find fine enclave. Black soils are Nallaregadi Bhumi. Okay, black soils are Nallaregadi Bhumi. Nallaregadi Bhumi. Okay, and we can find and enclave black soil Nallaregadi Bhumi up to depth of 15 feet. Up to depth of 15 feet. Okay, alluvial soil are called Ondru Bhumi. Black soil are called Nallaregadi Bhumi. Okay, they can very stick with a rain and retain moisture for long time. Some part of village nearer to the river on the west and south have sandy soils. Sandy soil. Okay, sandy soil. Sandy soil are called and Isuka Bhumi. Isuka Bhumi. Okay, how many types of soils? There are 3 types of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, sandy soil. Alluvial soil are called Ondru Bhumi, black soil are called Nallaregadi Bhumi, and sandy soil Isuka Bhumi. Okay, 3 types of soil. It is possible to raise 2 or 3 crops a year. Okay, for year 3 crops. Okay, 3 crops. Next one, rainfall and irrigations. Next one topic, rainfall and irrigation. Rainfall and irrigation. Okay, rainfall and irrigation. This region receive rains from June to October from southwest monsoon. Okay, this rainfall June to October. June to October, this rains from southwest monsoon. From November to May, there is relatively very little rainfall. Which month? From November to May. And good sunshine and warm temperature make it possible to raise and crops throughout the year. In Penamakuru village, good sunshine and warm temperature make it possible to raise crops throughout the year. And as Penamakuru is very near to river Krishna and groundwater can be found at a depth of 15 to 25 feet. In Penamakuru, the Penamakuru is very nearer to river Krishna. Okay, and the groundwater can be found at a depth 15 to 25 feet. Okay, because the nearer the Krishna river, and thus the coastal plains have plenty of water. Thus the coastal plains are plenty of water. Next one, crops. Next one, crops. Paddy is extensively cultivated all over the coastal plains, especially in Krishna district. Okay, Penamaguru paddy is extensively cultivated all over the coastal plain, especially in Krishna district. The nursery for the paddy monsoon crops called salva. Okay, the nursery for the paddy monsoon crops called salva is now, and the transplanted is the month of June to July. June to July. This is called the salva. And the high yielding paddy and the varieties like a MTU 2716 and Swarna and BPT, different types of Swarna and BPT, different types of crops. Okay, different types of crops. And this is harvested around October and November. This is harvesting around the October and November. Transplantation is still mainly done by women's. Transplantation is mainly women's and men's, where harvesting is done by men and women and together. And from the month of December, there is no the winter crops called dalva. Okay, winter crops. Winter crops are called dalva. Okay, dalva. June to July, sarva, and winter crops, dalva. Okay, and many farmers have been cultivating sugarcane. Many farmers have been cultivating sugarcane instead of paddy. Sugarcane instead of paddy. In Penamaguru village, a number of the farmers instead of and sugarcane, and sugarcane stands in the field for and 9 to 12 months. Sugarcane in months of 9 to 12 months in the crops. Okay, a number of the farmers cultivating sugarcane and 9 to 12 months. And is harvesting around the February and March. Okay, harvesting February to March. The village cultivated turmeric and the number of the different types of crops. And for example, the village cultivate turmeric, yam, banana. Turmeric, yam, banana. Turmeric, yam, banana. Okay, turmeric, yam, banana, and etc. In olden days, the farmers of Penamaguru cultivated red gram, green gram, millets, and on the plants. Okay, in the Penamaguru village and olden days, the farmers of different types of crops and cultivated red gram, green gram, green gram, millets. Okay, millets, turmeric, yam, banana, different types of crops. Okay.